Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's problem is a beautiful little test of the order of operations. 1/2 plus 1 divided by a fraction whose top is 4 plus 2 times 2 and whose bottom is 2. To solve this cleanly, we will lean on one single rule, PEMDAS. Let's review PEMDAS quickly. P parenthesis first. And remember, a fraction bar also counts as grouping, so the top and bottom behave like they are inside invisible parentheses. E for exponents. M and D, multiplication and division, equal partners, left to right. And then A and S, addition and subtraction, equal partners, left to right also. That's the whole rule. Now let's use it. Looking at our problem, the first thing PEMDAS asks us to handle is the grouping. And here, that's the big fraction. So we simplify the top and the bottom separately before anything else. The bottom is easy, just 2. The top reads 4 plus 2 times 2. And notice, even inside the numerator, the rule still applies. Multiplication before addition. So, 2 times 2 is 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. So, the numerator is 8. The denominator is 2. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. Our whole complicated fraction collapses into single number, 4. So let's rewrite the problem now. 1/2 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, already looks much friendlier. Next, PEMDAS tells us division comes before addition. So we do not add 1/2 and 1/1. That's one of the traps hiding in this problem. Instead, 1 divided by 4 is 1/4. Now the final addition. 1/2 plus 1/4. We need a common denominator, 4. 1/2 is the same as 2/4. So 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. And that is our answer, 3/4. Quick check on the traps. If you added 4 plus 2 before multiplying, you will have landed on 2/3. And if you added 1/2 plus 1 first, you would get 3/8. Both look reasonable but are wrong. The order of operation is not a suggestion. It's the rule of the road. Grouping first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, left to right, then addition and subtraction, left to right. If this lesson made PEMDAS feel clear, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.